Hi, my name is Matt Moore, and I own Easy Dent, and we take dents out of cars. We use paintless dent repair to fix dents on cars, and this basically means anything that doesn't have paint damage can be brought to us. This will include things like door dings, maybe a baseball hit your car, maybe even a deer ran into your car. If it didn't damage the paint, it's a perfect fit for what we do.
Hey, I'm Mark with Easy Dent. I've worked with Matt ever since we opened up this storefront on Atlanta Highway, and I'm a PDR technician, so I repair the dents on your vehicle. I really enjoy the puzzle behind them, and sometimes that means taking trim panels apart to get access behind it to repair the damage.
I'm Taylor. I'm a dent technician here at Easy Dent and professional Instagram poster. I enjoy what I do. Working on cars has been a lifelong obsession of mine. It started ever since my uncle opened a custom shop in the Habersham County area. Ever since then, I enjoy taking cars apart, fixing them, just having my hands on cars all day. It's what I enjoy doing.
Hey, my name is Ethan. I am the newest member here at Easy Dent. I'm the shop manager. So generally, I'll be the one that's handling any kind of claim that you have. I'll be the one that any kind of customer interaction. That's what I do. I'm the one that does the initial estimates, and I'll basically just handle your car from start to finish through the shop, pushing it through, contacting the insurance company, keeping the customer up to date. Basically, just making sure your car is being taken care of throughout the process.
Thanks for checking us out. I hope you don't need our repairs anytime soon, but if you do, come by our shop here on Atlanta Highway at 4015 Atlanta Highway in Athens, Georgia. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.